Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you my new truck I've bought. So I've bought myself a Mark V Transit recovery truck. It's down the side of the house so you can't see it too well. It's a little bit rough. It's a 1998. It's got a dent down here I'm going to be getting rid of. Should be a white truck. It's obviously had new wings on both sides. The blend's not fantastic. It's not had the best job done. Absolutely filthy on the outside and the inside. See, it's not had a wash. Mirror covers are missing, but it's got an alloy bed. I bought a prop shaft, as you can see, because there was an issue with the prop when I got it. So I'm going to be fitting the prop shaft up today. It's had some Jubilee clips to try and stop it sliding off the spline. It's got a winch which is on a remote. It's got working beacons. It's a twin wheel. Just show you the inside. So when I got it, this is a bit of a work in progress. You see the state of it. Really needs a good clean. Seats ripped like they all are. Headlining's saggy. It's been painted this strange green colour over some sort of blue, and then bits of it are still white from the original colour. The previous owner had it on a push button start because there was an issue around the ignition, but I've put a new cap on it. Probably going to change the whole barrel, but then I want a new key, but it's on pat, so I'm going to have to get that sorted. Passenger seat is nowhere near as bad as the driver's, so that'll be getting sorted. I'll take you around the back so you can see it. I think it's 16 foot I've measured the bed at. It's got some ramps, but I might use the ramps I've got on my car trailer on that. I'll show you underneath. The chassis is pretty much bang on. Really happy with the chassis. The tyres have got decent tread on. We've got a hole in the sill. That needs sorting, so I'll be welding. Well, I'm going to have to plate that all the way across, I think. I'll just take that full section out and plate it. I'll show you in the wheel arches. So I think you can see there. Now this truck has got 9 months MOT on it, but it's corroded there, so I'm going to have to plate that. And then I think there's a little bit in another section under there. Just show you the other side. This side again, same place. I'm not entirely sure if that's an MOT fail where that is. It might just be a passing advice, to be fair, but obviously you know what I'm like, I'll get it welded up. The wheel arches have been sort of blended in, so they've lost the line. Now I'll tell you more about that in a second. That arch is absolutely fine and underneath is okay. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to grind down a couple of little spots on it here, and there's a few chips, so I'll be grinding them down. I'm just going to flatten with filler, really quick job, give them a quick prime, sand down the whole truck and give it a quick coat of diamond white. Just the outside. I'm not doing the shuts, I'm not doing anything like that. I'm just going to give it a really quick blow over, just to make it look a little bit tidier, because on the logbook it's down as white, and to be honest with you, I'd rather it be white. So things like this just getting rubbed over. I'm going to leave that without its line in it. Really quick job. Then over next year, once it's up and running, it's on the road, because I've just got until I want to start taxing it before I put it back on the road. I'll do I'm going to do a rolling restoration on it, so I'll do little bits at a time, so all the welding will be done properly. Tell me what your opinion is. Should I just plate it, or should I butt weld it, do it properly so it's an invisible repair? Is it worth it on a truck this age? I'm undecided. I'm leaning towards doing the butt welding, repairing it so it can't be seen, but tell me if you think it's worth it. And tell me what you think of the truck. Alright, so there will be a few videos coming up on it. I'm going to be doing this rather than the Metro for a few days, because in all fairness, I'm absolutely sick to death of painting that Metro. I'm going over time and time again over the same thing, and it's not getting quite right, so I'm having a little break on that. Once I've got this just sorted, I'll get back on the Metro again. I'm going to be doing new prop shaft on it, but I'll take you through that as it progresses. So I will be doing a video on doing the prop shaft. I've got a video that'll be going on the welding. I'll then be trying to pull out this dent here and weld up that section there, make sure that's right. I'm not going to concentrate on, there's a couple of dents in the door, but I'm not too bothered about them. Anyway, please subscribe, like and share if you are interested in the progress that's going to be made on this.